Alam ko, Sandy, mamimiss mo ako.
Ayan yung ano, diba?
So sila yung mga kumain dito.
Ito wrestler. Si ano, ito yung UFC fighter yun.
Dalawa na.
Dito kami sa
Hi!
Oy, skimpy buhok. Bakit ano yung ano mo?
Dimples.
Yan na po yung Koreanong ano, delivery. Baby Mia, hello. I will miss you, baby. Cute.
Si Sandy, ginawa niya shawarma. Ako bigyan pang panga.
Dimple, yung dimple.
Dimple. Yeah, tapos sabay tingin-tingin sa camera. Tingin. Dali, tingin.
Alam ko, Sandy, mamimiss mo ako.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best in Hawaii.
Ay, ang cute. Year of the Snake. I am Year of the Snake. Ay, talaga ba?
Ay, Year of the Snake ka ba?
I like it. Thank you.
Sa camera na.
Hello!
Ha? Para maiba naman.
Siya lang ang bitbitin mo ngayon.
Sa labit-bitin ko ngayon.
Ganda ng sasakyan mo ah. Milo, the black belter. Cute. Oh, hello. Say hi, Milo.
Masarap ka kasi. Papakita ka na.
Hoy, umayos ka, Milo. Ano pa naman talaga siya sa akin.
Hala, nabasa oh.
Oh my God.
Ayan oh.
May wet wipe.
Nag-cam na
May wet.
siya. Natapos na. Ayan pa, hindi pa siya tapos.
Milo! No!
Tingnan mo, hindi pa siya tapos.
Milo ka
May...
Welcome back to my channel! Yes, and we're here sa Adrian night to watch Christina!
Feeling ko underdressed kami.
Oo. Underdressed, literal, kasi wala kami sleeves.
Sobrang
Malamig
lamig.
girl! Kama lahat sila naka-long sleeves. Okay lang yan, laban. Yes, so busog na kami and we're gonna go. It's going to start
Sorry
na.
for my nose. Yeah, being allergic rhinitis.
She's Rudolph today.
I wanna thank you for giving me time to breathe. Like I'm trying to wait so patiently. While I can't take you willing to give me more than what a girl wants, what a girl needs, whatever makes me happy sets you free. I'm thanking you for that. I swear, if I want you away, keeps me in your arms is what I need.
A few moments later.
Napulburohan. Oh my gosh. Hi! So we're going home. So nakatapos na po kami mag-medic. Okay na yung mga mata namin kasi naman buisit na fireworks yun. Parang hindi nabahira.
Ay, grabe yun. Tingnan nyo yung pulbura from last night. Dun sa Christina.
Also, Kim, she was one of the best staff in her theaters when she is working, whether with trauma, with the neuro, with all the teams that she is working.
Very lovely and friendly. So your contributions to this organization have been immense and tremendous this night. Friends upon you and give you peace. Best wishes and good luck. God bless you, dear Kim. We will be soon.
Bon voyage!
Kirio!
Kiria! Hi! Oh my God, wala akong makeup.
Nag-picture ka?
Sila lang. Hello! Say hi naman sa my vlog. Oh my God! Ito na yung last vlog ko with 801. Ah!
Hi! One watch Kimi.
Wala pa! Umiiyak ka na! Wala din. Wala akong pag-guys. Ano ba yun? All the best. Sana may perform ka na din.
Alam mo yung all the best na yun talaga pang movie. Umayat na. Ka naman na ano. O sige na.
Bye,